Kauppakatu 38 in Lahti, staircase B.
Cheap. Plastic.
Yeah.
Four persons.
And coming off. Very cheap.
What's that? It's nice. This one is a little bit darker.
Yeah. The 1997 B1 in 2077.
4 persons are 221 kilograms. This has been able to go off.
And this is coming off. Cheap. This was like practice
Free practice.
This was like practice before. Because this is good cheap. Not unreadable, well, a little bit, but not so.
Holy crap, this will be last order from today.
Maybe.
Because my battery is now low.
Oh.
It's 5%.
Rest in peace, battery.
You can film with tablet.
I'm not sure. I really want to film with it because it has bad quality on it. And I want to produce high quality videos to my YouTube channel.
Inspected by Inspector 20
But I think you want more videos.
What?
I think you want more videos, more than better quality.
Well, yeah. But I'm also good tired now, so. Yeah.
KVL.
You are. No, you KVL.
Why?
I don't know. Because I'm not walking.
Touch it.
That's
That's